Peter Rabbit. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother in a cozy burrow under a big tree. One morning, their mother said,
"Now, my dears, you may go outside and play. But remember, don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Your father had an accident there."
Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They went down the lane to gather berries. But Peter, being curious, ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden. Peter squeezed under the gate and started munching on delicious veggies, lettuce, beans, and carrots. Peter happily says,
"Yum! This is the tastiest food I've ever had."
He was having so much fun. But suddenly,
"Stop, thief!"
Peter gasps.
Oh no! I need to run!
Mr. McGregor spotted Peter and ran after him shouting,
"Stop, you naughty rabbit!"
Peter was very scared. He ran as fast as his little legs could go, jumping over plants and squeezing through bushes. He lost his shoes in the chase and his jacket too. Mr. McGregor grumbles,
"I have to get away, that naughty rabbit!"
He ran this way and that, but Mr. McGregor was still behind him. Peter saw a big watering can and quickly jumped inside to hide. Mr. McGregor was close, but he couldn't find Peter. Peter whispers,
"Please don't find me. Please don't find me."
After Mr. McGregor walked away, Peter hopped out, ran across the garden, and slipped under the gate. Phew! He was safe. Peter raced all the way home, tired and without his shoes or jacket. His mother gave him some warm chamomile tea and told him to rest. Meanwhile, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail enjoyed a delicious supper of bread, milk, and berries. But poor Peter had to go to bed early without dinner. The end.